너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hi everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. I am Babsi. Today I want to show to you how to cook pork belly. I learned this one from one of my European friend, grandmother. She told me. Now I will introduce the ingredients. Pork, and onions and garlic. Now we just, this is very simple, no need to put water. First we put little salt, like that, just a little. And we put this one here like this, mix. One of my European friend, she is a grandmother, but her cook is very, very delicious. So when I was in Europe, in Germany, and she told me this one, how to cook. It was very fantastic. We put garlic, this one. We cut slice. Onion, and we put here. No need to put the water. Garlic, like this, like this. Yes, like this we cook about 1 hour. Already 40 minutes. And then from now we have to make maybe 20 minutes more. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, yeah. Very nice. 20 minutes more. Ready! Wow, ready! Very delicious, looks so nice. This oil all out, so nice. Very nice looks. Oh, very nice. I will show you. Very nice. German grandmother friend taught me, really fantastic. That time we ate with this kaposta, sour cabbage. With this. So nice. Nice. This all together 1 hour. Ready. Nice, very nice. You know, this meal, when I cook, I didn't put water at all. And this is all oil. From this fat and the oil out. So you don't need to worry eating this like this. So this is garlic and onion. Really, this very nice, fantastic.